Kaming dapat abangan any special projects na niluluto nyo.
Carl, kaya mo na yan. Kaya mo na yan.
Hindi ko pa po pwede sabihin yung mga project. Baka
But
may
what we
abangan
can
kayo sa amin.
say though is that abangan niyo po kami
Yes.
sa ASAP XP Australia.
Yes, if there's any Aussies here, anyone Australian? No? No? Wala?
It's okay, you guys
Okay.
will go to Australia if
It's
you
okay.
can.
Well, yayain niyo po yung mga pamilya niyo sa Australia kasi nandun din po kami. You guys will see us there. But I'm sure this is not the last you will see of me and Kai. So, yun lang masasabi ko namin.
Yeah. But of course, you always have your performances sa ASAP, right? So we are all looking forward to that. In fact, our beautiful Kai here is now named as the new Gen G.